struggling to remove backgrounds from your photos? In today's video, we are testing a tool that promises to do it automatically in just a few seconds. Let's find out if it really works. To follow along, just click the link in the description to try it out for free. My first impression is that the site is super clean and simple. No clutter, just one big upload button and you can upload your image. But before that, let's just scroll down and you will see a before and after slider showing how it handles object. So let's just test it. And the handbag still looks natural. Pretty impressive, right? Now the real challenge is the hair. We are testing it on curls and wow. Now next up is animals. The fur looks soft and natural. And now let's look at the cars. That also came out to be really good. Now let's look at the graphic. And this is a logo, so let's see how it looks. This also has come out to be very clean. So it works on pretty much everything. The site also highlights tons of use cases for photographers, e-commerce, marketing, and even shows big names like Sony Music and TechCrunchy using it. You can add new backgrounds, edit directly on the site and integrate it with many softwares, and it is very versatile. But let's put it to the ultimate test with my own photo. So before I upload the photo, I suggest everyone to just go ahead and log in or sign up. So I have logged in. Okay, now let's go ahead and upload the image. So I'm going to take this image over here. And in literally 3 seconds, the background is completely gone and even the hairs are intact. That's next level. From here, you can go ahead and download a free preview image, or you can go to the high resolution version with the paid plan. And also I would like to mention that there are a lot of built-in tools, as you can see here. It can help you restore or erase details manually. You can also add effects like shadows or blur and even batch process image with the desktop app. Plus it integrates with Photoshop, Figma and tons of other platforms, making it a time saver for professional. So what's the verdict? For speed, accuracy and ease of use, Remove.bg absolutely delivers. It's a solid 10 out of 10. If you want to try yourself, you can click the link in the description and start for free. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop your thoughts in the comment. Thanks for watching.